Yeah, this is a game uh, in emo called Jackaroo. So Jackaroo is a four-player game, but you can also play by twos or by threes. So, so the colors of the Jackaroo are green, blue, yellow, and red. So as of now, the players in Purple Angel universe is Miss Thunder, Mr. Lucifer Morningstar, uh, MD No Shed, and who is the player? The other AJ. Ah, AJ, the handsome guy, AJ. And so the objective of this game is to reach the safe zone. So there are five five uh, shall we say dots in the safe zone. That is the goal of this game. So we're using cards. So the cards are numbered from ace, king, queen, jack, uh, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now, Mr. Who is playing now? Now, MD is now playing. So there is a timer of this game. Yeah, so there is plus 9. So you need to have the dots 9 steps ahead. So there's plus 7 from, yeah. So let's see how it goes. So I think 7 should, you can divide 7 into two parts. If you're running two dots, you need, if you want to divide, you can divide. Welcome, James. Now they will move 12 steps. Okay, so let us check.